It's a beautiful day out. It's a beautiful evening. The sky is alive. The rainbow is fading, but it's still right there. The ground is wet and the worms are coming to life. What a beautiful summer day. And it's raining. It's a drought anyway, so rain is good. Because it's fun. Yeah. Oh. You have $1? Can I have it? No. It's fun. It's fun.
I know. It's raining.
Catch the fire in the sky. Maybe the rain will put it out. Well, yeah, that rainbow's long gone. Oh. You still can see it? Oh, you can still kind of see it. It goes like, it's really gone. It's really gone all the way over here, but you can see it.
You can have it.
No, it's yours.
I know. It's raining. Well, you can put a rainbow. It's gonna rain. That's what it's the rain.
Yep.
You have to shoot your jacket on. It'd be safe. What?